getting money for wasting Chu yesterday. What do you
Never do such a thing. He's a sweet boy.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
I like to think so. Well, enough to get by anyways. You?
Yeah, Wait, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, I speak English.
I kind of guessed. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for this place, Old Temple Academy. I thought it was around here. It's supposed to be a kung fu school, but I'm totally lost. I have no sense of direction.
Yeah, I think I know where it is. I mean, it's not too far. I can give you a ride. I mean, it'll be easier than explaining where it is.
Okay, yeah, that'd be really great. My name's Amanda, by the way, or Amy. Either one is fine.
Oh, nice to meet you, Amy. I'm Wei.
Hey, what can I do for you? Here you go.
So what brings you to Hong Kong? Are you thinking of becoming Chinese?
No, I just finished college, and I've been doing a bit of traveling. You know, figuring out what to do with my life, that sort of thing.
How's that going?
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front.
So this is the Bam Bam Club.
Back home, I saw a restaurant that looked a little bit like this.
Don't let the locals hear you say that.
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front. But I'm checking out Hong Kong for a while. What about you? You got it all figured out?
I wouldn't say that. You know, I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. Maybe once that's dealt with, I'll get on to figuring out life.
Oh, yeah? You got any pointers?
Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese wisdom. Look both ways before crossing the street. Always buckle your seatbelt. And only apply makeup at red lights. Don't text and drive. You know, that kind of thing.
Words to live by. Wow. This is a pretty cool place for a kung fu school.
Unfortunately, the school isn't in the temple. Not that temple, anyway.
Didn't they use this temple as a backdrop for, what was it, Fists of Carnage?
No, it was using the grandfathers of the Shaolin Fist.
Isn't this school supposed to be in a temple?
一、二、三、四。
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to sign up for some kung fu classes. I read about your school in my guidebook.
Your guidebook.
Yeah, it said you teach a style with a long lineage, but in spite of all that, it's still considered very effective.
You want to take classes, okay. And you? Did you also read about this place in some book?
Well,
Wait. I know you.
Yes, Sifu Kwok. I used to be your student. I'm Wei Shen.
Yes. The one who went to America. So you brought this girl back with you. Your skill level with girls, very good. Now time to assess your skill level in Kung Fu. I see time in America has rusted your skills. All men must win sometimes, but not to American tourists. Shake this glorious towers above your classmates. I try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones. But they all want to be Song Yi. Now I just train them in the ways of my art. Try to teach them compassion and discretion, and pray for the best.
Sifu, I don't think there's much more you can do. Jade Rat. Song Dynasty, right?
Very good.
The Song Dynasty? That's like 1,000 years old or something. That's real?
Part of a set of 12, one for each animal of the Chinese calendar.
Sifu, you used to have the whole set. What happened to the others?
Stolen by a former student, corrupted by the triads.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Sifu.
So was I. This collection meant a lot to me. But sometimes you just have to let things go. I should close up. It was good to see you again, Wei. And your lovely fiancé.
What?
Okay, that was fun. What do you want to do now?
I need to get home, but I will definitely call you later.
你救過嚟啦！你好冇啊！打親你咯！打咪打咯！你以為我咬底啊？放乜撚嘢啊？
I found one of your statues.
Oh, the dog. Excellent. I must confess, I was surprised to see you back. I had hoped that you might have escaped Hong Kong. Escaped its influences, its problems.
We took them with us when we left. So coming back didn't change much.
Are you ready to confront them now?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like to learn? I'm ashamed to call myself a teacher. Your failure is truly breathtaking. Faster! Harder! I'm embarrassed for you.
咁多嘢我你死10次唔撚夠啊！
My shame at your performance grows by the minute. How can Wei learn? Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
Boosie and Hawks Radio.
我食硬你㗎！食到確鑿香港 hip hop。
唔似一對老虎，佢哋咁紅要多得智雲大師照顧。冇眼嘅唔認命，唔肯睇佢哋台戲。衰仔睇講就你冇米啦，阿肥。後嚟跟住點擊唔明，俗稱一條懵尾。我上 YouTube 睇張耀成都唔試聽。食得飯，阿老闆話。
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level London looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What are you thinking, you, man? Ah!
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship? Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie.
Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running. Come and get me!
俾你死橙！係啊，夾住啊！灼佢啦未啊？灼佢冇晒啊！手啦，有槍啦！喂，翻屋企揾你老母啊！好嘢！你冇諗俾我封槍啊！喂，翻屋企揾你老母啊！乜嘢啊？夠姜咪開拖咯！ There's more of them! 捅佢啦！同我收佢未？等我話你知咩叫眼前一黑啊！打開佢18碌，我去餵狗！你老母啊！打柒你啦！哇！兄弟，幫我打爆佢！話俾佢知呢度邊個話事。 Watches should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, we're taking off with the goods! Go, 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 man! Hang on, I'll go get the watches. Wait, we got him. Damn, that was crazy, man. We did it, holy shit, we did it. Check it out, it's raining Cambria.
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, he's a fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive. Wait, drive.
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. These cops suck.
What do you think will happen? So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. Sonora.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait. You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time. What's up?
Hey, you're Song Yi, right? I was racing earlier, and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Han Lan, he cheated. Ran me off the road at the last minute. Can you teach him a lesson? Keep him from doing it again?
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him.
Transmitting live from Planet Risk, 19th galaxy. Light years away where we exist. Extra astral blast proves the bits. Just pieces of my pieces alone can take you back home. We zoning on the same frequency. Frequently, no longer write rhymes. It's backward beats speak to me. Reason be different every time now. Critically claim the fame for these divine sounds. Calm down, there's much more where that came from. Move around the global, still teach by the same sun. Channeling it.
Hey, Wei, can you help me out?
What do you need?
A ride, but in a second.
Okay.
Let's go!
What the hell?
That asshole was sleeping with my girlfriend.
You can't just punch a cop.
I know. Gotta have a getaway ready. I really appreciate it.
A little warning would be nice.
Oh, right. Okay.
If you're gonna pull this shit, you gotta learn to drive. Think about dumping that girlfriend too, alright?
Well, she's not exactly my girlfriend. I really like her though. She's got a nice smile. Dresses real nice.
You're not even dating her?
Not yet, man. Gotta be optimistic though.
Son of a bitch. Is she with that guy?
You mean like right now?
Come on.
We're son on ye. Cops don't got anything on us.
Son of a bitch.
They're right behind us. What a getaway! Thanks, Wei. Next time I need to hit a cop, I know who to call.
We got an AR in progress. Is there a tactical unit available?
PTU en route, please stand by.
Thank God you're here!
Come on, pigs! What have you got?
You're under arrest!
The cleanup crew is not gonna love this.
Perfect pictures, so I need a camera I can trust, which is why I go to Shutter 88. Take it from a professional photojournalist. When it comes to cameras and accessories, Shutter 88. Shutter 88. Just a click away.
So, how's business?
Not very good. Sales are way down. My shirts are just too boring. Hey, could you help me get some new design? I want to do a landscape series. Really capture what's cool about the city.
Yeah, sure.
Get me a couple of classic shots. Email them over when you have them.
Got it.
all suffering device from some form of desire.
I like it. Does it have a website?
Not very nice, Mr.
This will look good.
It's worth it, then the chain store. Goddamn.
Finally!
at the chop shop. We noticed you still don't have your own ride. Come by any time if you want to buy a car.
Oh yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry, we'll give you a good deal. Sun On Yee never pay full price.
Could have stemmed from the earth and bloodshed its soil.